Today, I will show you how to use the TPO charts on TradingView, which is also commonly known as the market profile charts. Before we begin, the TPO charts require a TradingView premium subscription, but you can use my affiliate link in the description to get a free trial to test it out at no cost. To use the TPO charts on TradingView, open up any chart and then click on the chart type icon at the top left, which is usually candlesticks by default. Then click on the time price opportunity option toward the bottom. When using the TPO charts, the 30-minute time frame is recommended by J. Peter Steidlmayer, Stephen B. Hawkins, and Jim Dalton, who are the pioneers of the market profile chart. You should also remove any other indicators since it may clash. Keep in mind that the TPO charts include the session volume profile, so you do not need to add the volume profile indicator separately. Before we look at the chart, let's go over the TPO chart settings by right-clicking anywhere on the chart and clicking Settings. I like to add the volume profile value area high, value area low, and the volume point of control since they are not on by default. However, the time value area high, low, and time point of control should be activated by default. I will also extend the time point of control so it is easier to identify as well. Now that we have the settings configured, let's click OK, and then zoom in on our chart. You should zoom in far enough to see the letters on the TPO blocks. Each letter represents a 30-minute time period, or whichever time frame you are using. For example, A would be the first 30 minutes of the market, and any price level an A is present, the asset traded at within the first 30 minutes. The price with the most TPO blocks, or time spent, is highlighted in white and is known as the time point of control. The value area consists of the price levels in which 70% or more of the time spent has occurred. The top of the value area is referred to as the value area high, and the bottom of the value area is known as the value area low. These TPO blocks form various patterns, including single prints, poor highs and lows, excess highs and lows, plus much more. These patterns are complex, so I highly recommend you read my full article about the market profile TPO charts I will leave in the description. The volume profile is also plotted on the right side of the TPO blocks and is similar to the TPO chart, except that it tracks volume by price instead of time. For example, the volume point of control is the price level where the most volume was traded, while the time point of control is the price level where the most time was spent. The volume profile value area represents where 70% of the total trading volume occurred, as opposed to the time value area, which represents where 70% of the time spent has occurred. I will also leave my full article of the volume profile in the description, so you can read more about it. That will do it for this video. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Also, remember that you can try these advanced features out by using my affiliate link in the description to get a free trial of the TradingView Premium plan before spending any money on it.